The DJI Avata 360 drone marks a bold step forward in FPV drone technology, bringing immersive 360-degree video into a compact and highly capable flying platform. While it may not deliver the absolute best image quality in DJI's lineup, it introduces a new level of creative flexibility that will appeal to content creators, vloggers, and FPV enthusiasts alike. After the success of action cameras, competitors like Insta360 pushed into the drone market with devices like the Antigravity A1 drone, offering 8K 360 video and advanced tracking features. DJI responded quickly with the Avata 360, combining its FPV drone expertise with imaging technology derived from the DJI Osmo 360 action camera. The result is a more refined and safer drone that adds versatility through both 360 and standard video modes. At the heart of the Avata 360 is its dual camera system. It uses two ultra-wide lenses with f1.9 apertures and large 1.1-inch sensors, capturing a full 360-degree field of view. These cameras work together to produce up to 8K 60 FPS spherical video. This fundamentally changes how you shoot. Instead of worrying about framing during flight, you can focus entirely on movement and storytelling, then reframe your shots later in DJI's editing software. When paired with DJI's FPV goggles, the immersive experience becomes even more engaging, allowing pilots to look around simply by moving their head. Unlike its main rival, the Avata 360 also supports traditional shooting. In single-camera mode, it records 4K video at up to 60 FPS with a forward-facing perspective. This added flexibility makes it suitable for more conventional filmmaking tasks, giving it an advantage over drones that rely solely on 360 capture. Design-wise, the drone is slightly larger and heavier than previous Avata models, weighing around 455 grams. This means it may require registration in many regions. However, DJI has prioritized safety with enclosed propellers, making it suitable for indoor use or flying near people. Additional sensors, including obstacle detection and LiDAR, further enhance flight safety and control. Performance is where the Avata 360 shines. As an FPV drone, it is fast, agile, and capable of reaching speeds up to 40 mph. It supports advanced maneuvers like flips and rolls, making it ideal for cinematic Sinuhoop-style shots. Despite a slightly larger battery, real-world flight time averages around 18 minutes, so extra batteries are highly recommended for extended sessions. One of the standout features is DJI's AkuSync 4 Plus transmission system, which delivers a smooth 1080p live feed with a range of up to 20 kilometers. This is impressive for an FPV drone and ensures reliable connectivity even at long distances. Storage is handled through internal memory and expandable microSD support, making it easy to manage large 8K video files. The drone also includes intelligent tracking features such as focus track, allowing users to lock onto subjects and follow them automatically.